It literally smells like chemicals of fire.
Dude.
Bro, that's a big ass piece.
It's steaming.
Do
Keen,
not-
are you ready? We need like,
Yo, that's huge. I'm dead.
like pull over.
He's gonna like die. Oh my fucking god.
While you're driving too, by the way.
You're so done. He's so done. He's so done. He's so done.
I can see him like tearing up in the.
Ah!
Do not insert driving. You're actually so like.
We need to pull
He
over.
just wiped his.
Dude, this
Why would you do that?
is so bad.
Bro, what do I do with this, bro?
Ah!
I guess.
Bro, there's panic in Keen's eyes. We need to pull the fuck over.
Ah! Dude! My nuts are like shrinking. Bro. My ears are like burnt.
Yo, I need like a. I get that shot. Not doing that.
Take a bite. Yo, that is a huge ass bite. Yo, you're cooked.
Little spicy.
Oh, hell no. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is.
Okay. Yeah, that just hits you, man. Just hits you.
Oh.
And it doesn't go away. Oh my god.
I don't have a drink on hand. I can't do this.
I'm calling you so good, dude.
No, I don't have a
Fuck, dude. Everyone's gotta do that shit.
Dude, I heard what you said.
Bro. Oh my god.
I'm about to cry.
About to cry. Can't like a dog.
You eat this shit.
Don't worry, I'm next.
A few moments later.
I missed a little bit. I threw up on your car, so thanks for pulling over.
Yes, he's serious. Are you being for real right now?
Yeah, fuck it, bro.
No, you're alright.
Yo.
Yep, put that shit back. Here you go.
It's over.
Oh, fuck.
Ah!
My stomach's feeling it now, guys.
Dude, it hurts.
Someone's gonna start puking.
Ah! Ah!
Damn, fuck.
My mom is kind of homeless.
I was expecting him just to.
Oh!
He's gonna start putting tissues in his mouth. Keen, get to the nearest gas station right now.
Ah! Ah!
I'm not doing it.
Ah! Oh!
Wait, it's not an EQ right
Keen,
there?
get off at the
Is
next
that
exit.
parametric EQ?
Keen, you do need to
I'm sorry, I can't.
That's right there.
I'm sorry, we're already too late.
You should go like pour it down. He just wants to drink it. You're gonna like barf if you drink that. This is bad.
Why is he going back in?
Take one down, pass it around. 97 bottles of beer on the wall.